About this item: Sun 24000 mAh huge capacity, with solar charging function. You don't need to worry about running out of power. Built-in high-quality 24,000 mAh lithium polymer battery pack. It adds 7.5 times for iPhone 8, 5 plus times for large capacity cell phone like iPhone X and Galaxy S8, and 3 plus for iPad mini. Sun dual 2A inputs and 2.4A outputs, micro and Type-C dual inputs, save recharging time up to 20%-30% compared to 1A input of other power bank. Dual 2.4A output, built-in smart IC chip for dual 2.4A ports to charge 2 devices. Sun Compass and 2 bright LED, featured with compass and 2 bright LED flashlight. Awesome for outside activities such as camping, hiking and other emergency use. 2 LED lights can be used. American Samoa flashlight with steady SOS strobe mode. Made of durable and reliable ABS and PC and silicone material, protects it from rain, dirt, and shock/drops. Sun the solar powered charger, equipped with compact solar panel, which can recharge the battery itself under sunlight. Also, you can use micro and Type-C input to full charge it. Please note that